and today I have a pretty cool video for you. This is the last part of my Bratz series, and I'm gonna show you guys how I made her! Look how fucking fierce she is. It's me. It's me. Yes, I finally did it. I completed my full assimilation into the Bratz pack, and I am now a fucking Bratz doll because I made one. Hi, MGA, call me. I want to be a Bratz. Can you tell? But yeah, today I'm going to show you guys how I made this little cutie. I customized her myself. It took forever. That's why this video took forever to come out. You'll see I've had some actual trials trying to make this girl, and it's also the reason that my hair like looks horrible because it's in this high ponytail. But yeah, I'm going to show you guys just in a second how I made this cutie, and it's going to be more of a documentary. It's not like a real tutorial, it's more of a documentary because like I don't know what I'm doing. Like there are people who professionally do this and who do it amazingly. Monster Lol, I'm gonna put their caption below, is one of the coolest Bratz photographers slash like restylists I know. But yeah, no, I've done this before, but I didn't do it on camera, and I figured this would be the greatest way to wrap up my Bratz video is with a tutorial showing you guys, or a video showing you guys how I made myself into a Bratz. So if you want to see that, then keep on watching. Okay, so basically what I did was I ordered an original Bratz doll off of eBay. She originally had brown curly hair, I think. I don't even remember anymore, it was so long ago. So the first thing I'm going to do is prep the doll. Right now, I don't know if you guys can see, but she has a couple of marks on her because she has been pre-owned, and I want to get rid of them. So I'm gonna go ahead and clean her with some soap and water and some makeup remover wipes, and just try and get rid of everything. Also, I'm gonna use some acetone to get rid of that mole on her chin because I don't have one. And honestly, I kind of want to get rid of some of her makeup too because I hate it. And I am going to change her lip color, but we'll wait on that. So for right now, I'm just gonna clean and prep the doll. I'm also gonna go downstairs and take her hair out. I read about this one method online where you just kind of dip her head in boiling water and then yank it out and then get the rest out after. I'm going to do that. I don't know if it'll work, but we'll try. So here's doll pre-edits. Let's hope this turns out well. So what I did was dipped her head in boiling water and plucked out all of her hair, which felt like a psycho thing to do, but whatever. Okay, so it's the next day because this took me all night, but I removed all of her hair. Yeah, it looks creepy. I also removed a couple of her marks and her mole, and then her lips got messed up and her eyebrow got messed up in the removal process, but I will fix them momentarily. Hopefully we'll try to make that better. I'm so upset about that. But right now I'm going to remove her. You know what? I'm going to do that after. Next, I'm just going to put the hair in with the rerooting tool. And yeah, we'll just see where it goes from there. Then what I did was rerooted the doll. Now this is the step that killed me and made this video take forever. I bought rerooting tools, specific needles meant to put hair in a doll's head. I bought the specific hair so that she would look exactly like me with my blue hair, because that's what I wanted. I wanted her to have blue hair, and it was supposed to be long and curly, not in a ponytail like this, the way it normally is, but I put it in a ponytail so I would match my doll. But the gods hated me, and my needles broke, the tool wouldn't work, the hair got tangled, everything went wrong. I've actually done this before and it went fine. I did it before with hair that I salvaged from a wig, and it went better than this. Like, this went horribly, so I don't know why. I don't know why God hated me, but just today, I just finally finished recording this video and finishing up this doll, and I was like, you know what? I could either take another week to release this video, or I could just put the doll's hair in a ponytail. So I just put the dog's hair in a ponytail. I actually really like it because it's all Ariana Grande inspired. This is actually how I would love my hair to look, but it's kind of hard to do that with wigs. Like, this looks kind of ratchet, but whatever. Then all I did was I took some Fenty Senna lip paint to paint over her lips so that they looked closer to something I would wear. That's not technically what you're supposed to do, but I actually looked up a tutorial on how to change a doll's lips and makeup, and you're supposed to use paint, and considering how the rerooting went, I didn't want to use paint and mess up this doll any further, so I went ahead and just put lipstick on her and then sealed it with some nail polish. And that's it. Then I just did my own makeup to match my doll, and now I look like my Bratz doll, and it's super cool, and I'm super happy, and I'm super proud of how it came out. This video was supposed to be very different, and I know it's probably a bit disappointing because, like, I really liked the first part of this Bratz series, and the second part was okay. This third part is I wish it was better. I'm sorry, you guys deserve better, but I did my best. My plans kind of fell through, but I hope you guys liked this video anyway. If you did, please subscribe. Let me know if you guys want to see more videos like this. Now that this Bratz series is over, I'm going to go back to my regularly scheduled content, and I actually have a very interesting makeup video planned for next week. So if you want to see that, go ahead and subscribe and check out my other content. Yeah, that's it. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!